Okay, we've had a windstorm last night, and yeah, you can probably see the current situation out there. It doesn't look very bad out this way, but it's bad. There is damage, which I will show you soon. There is a massive long list of school closures, and that includes Tawa. So my college is closed, so I get a free day off. But anyway, I'm going to go outside in the garden soon and contemplate whether or not actually going out there is actually a good idea. But I'm hoping it is, because I really want to get out and see if there's some damage around. So yeah, we'll see in a minute. Okay, I'm outside. The other one of the panels on that side is broken off. Yeah. That's all damaged. The dog kennel has moved. Other than that, everything else appears to be in place. We go around the front way. The tables and chairs we put in the spa house last night anyway, so they were out of the way. The barbecue's still in place, and the trampoline is concreted into the ground, so that's not going anywhere. Now, don't worry about the wind and cold, because I'm wrapped up warm. Gloves, scarf, woolly hat, coat. Now, there's no damage around the front that gate stayed put. That gate was open, but my dad has shut it. Sorry, hang on, just trying to shut the gate. We'll go and check out the shed. You mean to say there's a school bus? NCS 641. You mean to tell me that there's actually a school bus for Samuel Marsden? That's not right. All school buses are meant to be cancelled. Oh, a bit wet and muddy round here. Anyway, the shed's still in place. So yeah, not really much damage, so that's good. But there is more damage up the road. So yeah, that's it for now. This is a brand new signpost. Has been lifted out of the ground. Oh, there's 175 there on the 236. So just as an update, part-time bus service is running, but all school buses are cancelled, apart from Samuel Marsden's. But yeah, that signpost has been lifted out of the ground. This is a brand new signpost. They put this signpost in literally 2 days ago. So yeah, and it's blowing a gale. That's it for now. Bit of a tree's come down. It's either, looks like it's come from this. Oh, there's another big bit over here. It's come down as well. Yeah, there's another big bit there as well. There's some fence panels come down in this area. Now I'm going to where all the bushes. This area here is not looking good at all. Oh my god! Look at that! This is just totally come down. All of this area is just totally collapsed. Swamped here for the rain. Bits of the tree. Yeah, there's one here come down as well. More bits of tree. Oh my god, that's a big bastard. Let's come off of this tree. Yeah, you can see here where it snapped off from, and the wind has blown it over there. That's how powerful it is. It's flooding here from the rain. The lake is all murky. Construction work. Oh God. Over there you can probably see there's another signpost being hauled out of the ground. As you can probably see. I saw a bus turning out of New World early on. I don't know whether or not they're terminating there. Oh my God. Oh my God. Tree come down. Over there. Shit. Holy shit. Oh my God. Oh my God. There's no way through, it's completely blocked. I'm gonna have to go around. And on the other side of the road too. Shit. Right, I'm gonna have to go find another way around. This is someone's entire garden fence come down. And a tree over here hauled out of the ground. Holy Jesus. This is the signpost thing that belongs over there. Probably got blown into the road. It's been moved over here. That there's some sort of post or something. A lot of trees, I dare say, have probably come down in the school bush. There's a big thing here come down. Oh Jesus. Oh, this looks like an actual tree. Here it is, hauled out the ground as well. Oh my God. First bit of damage, and I've done what? Not very far. Just passing the school now. Now there's bits of branches everywhere and it's still blowing a gale. Now the reason why this is so dangerous is because it's so blowy that there's more debris flying around. This is precisely what I was talking about. I can get around this one fine. God. I know that my mother will probably tell me that I'm a stupid idiot for coming round here, but there's no other way around. Good Lord. Doesn't look too bad, but oh. Hello. Jesus. This is an overflowing. The water in here's never been so high. It's all the rain we've had, it's overflowing. It's going like mad. The river's going like mad. Debris everywhere. Now I'm just going to stop the camera now. Just make sure that I get my ass out of here alive. We got another tree come down. Well, it's snapped. Yeah, trunk is snapped. Debris everywhere. It's mostly debris. Hasn't been another blockage. I'm nearly at the end of the pathway now. I just bumped into a friend of mine. Friend of my mum's. We're having a chat. Oh, hello. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. That is the lake. The upper lake. Because we've got two lakes in Whitby. Upper lake and lower lake. The upper lake, the wind's blowing it like a river. And it is high up. The water has never been this high in the almost 6 years I've been living in this country. Yeah, because I've been living in New Zealand now for nearly 6 years, and the water has never been this high in the lakes ever. Oh my God. Yeah, that's totally snapped. Oh, and another bit muddy, but I can only just get around it. Right. Oh, there's a fence panel gone up here. Yeah, there's a fence panel. The bus shelters are still in place. Yeah, that's all round here. Up ahead there is where the tree came down that we saw earlier on. Okay, so we're by the shops now. By the park, we've got more tree limbs come down. I think they've come off of this one. Hope there's no more. They've snapped off. They've come down. Jesus. There's bits in the park and everywhere. These ones here that were planted here, this one's bent over, likely to break. Shit, the swing's broken. I'm gonna probably bring it. Jesus! If wind can do that, then thank God it wasn't a tornado, because otherwise this place would be dead. Here you can see the lower lake. The retirement village. It appears to be okay. At the moment it appears to be okay, though construction fences over there by the construction site have blown over. I'll give you a... While we're here, we may as well update on the construction site, which I haven't done for about 3 or 4 weeks. Now I won't show you the back section, but this is just a quick look at the front section where the windows are going in. But yeah, I won't show you the back section because we haven't got time, but this, yeah, you can see over there where the trees are coming down. Okay, so the pathway here is totally blocked, almost, from bits flying off of trees and everything. It's all snapped down on both sides. Now the thing is, something I didn't tell you at the beginning, a lot of the damage was actually worse last night than it is today. You have to consider that last night a lot of this debris would have all been in the road. So yeah, but the emergency services have cleared it onto the sidewalks. And it's worse on this side, but mainly that might have something to do with the fact that the trees that could have fallen down over there have already fallen down, because in the last 2 months we've already had 2 trees fall down on that side of the road. But yeah, I honestly am not going to bother going any further. Yeah, the park's fine, I'm not going on there. I'm not going to go any further this way. Samuel Marsden's I'm not checking out Spinnacle Walkway just yet. I might do that later, but I don't think it'll be safe enough. But yeah, that's that for now. We've just seen that. Have a look at this. Even more. Through it, I reckon. It's the safest. What a stupid idea that was. Miss Gusts, come on. I'll hold on to that. It is windy. Now it's not as bad as it was last night. Winds last night hit over 140. That's kilometres an hour. That's faster than the motorway speed limit. 140 kilometres an hour. There's more up here. I'll run because of my memory. I don't know how much memory I've got. Don't know how much longer I'm going to be able to film for. But yeah, there's more big bits here. Work trucks. Probably to help clear up. But they could be working on Duck Creek. But look at this. This is a street lamp. This is a street lamp that's been ripped out. And on this here, that orange thing, I've got no idea what the orange thing is, but it's balancing it. Oh, mud. Now this lamp post has totally come out of the ground. Shit. That is scary. Don't know where it landed. Oh, there's the digger thing over there. Picking up the tree bits over there. Looks like they're starting to clearing up now. Yeah, well, that lamppost is scary. I don't know if it landed like that or whether it landed in the road. But I don't know, because I was at home last night, like anybody else who had some sense. Still, another good news, I heard though that the time our college open evening was packed out. So it wasn't too bad for them. Although I think some people have probably decided to sod it and go home. I know that some people definitely did. Anyway, that's it for now. This is a piece of someone's mailbox. I have got no idea which mailbox it's from. There doesn't appear to be a mailbox that I can see. I asked the bloke up there, but it's not his. But yeah, don't know whose it is. So if you are watching this, and this is part of your mailbox, you know where it is. You know where it is, if it's yours.